VSK Business Consultant Real Estate Management FAQ. Q1. What are the key responsibilities of VSK Business Consultant? Answer. VSK Business Consultant handles the day-to-day operations of a property, including finding tenants, managing maintenance, and overseeing financial transactions. Q2. What types of properties does VSK Business Consultant manage? Answer. We manage a diverse portfolio of properties, including residential apartments, independent homes, and commercial spaces. Q3. How does VSK Business Consultant find tenants for my property? Answer. We use a multi-channel approach that includes online listings, local advertising, and leveraging our extensive network to attract qualified and reliable tenants. Q4. What is VSK Business Consultant's approach to property maintenance and repairs? Answer. We have a trusted network of vetted contractors to handle maintenance requests promptly and efficiently, ensuring your property remains in excellent condition. Q5. How does VSK Business Consultant handle rent collection? Answer. We manage all aspects of rent collection, providing tenants with convenient online payment options and a structured process for handling any late payments. Q6. Can VSK Business Consultant assist with property renovations or upgrades? Answer. Yes, we can oversee and manage renovation projects to help you maximize your property's value and appeal to a broader tenant base. Q7. How does VSK Business Consultant handle tenant screening? Answer. We conduct a thorough screening process that includes background checks, credit reports, and employment verification to ensure we place high-quality tenants. Q8. What are VSK Business Consultant's fees for property management? Answer. Our fees are based on the specific services you require. We offer a transparent fee structure and can provide a detailed, customized quote upon consultation. Q9. How often are properties inspected by VSK Business Consultant? Answer. We conduct regular inspections to ensure the property is well maintained and to proactively address any potential issues before they become major problems. Q10. How does VSK Business Consultant handle legal issues, such as evictions? Answer. We work closely with legal professionals to ensure that all actions, including evictions, are handled correctly and in compliance with local and state laws. Q11. What kind of financial reporting can I expect from VSK Business Consultant? Answer. We provide property owners with detailed and regular financial reports, giving you a clear overview of your property's performance, income, and expenses. Q12. What makes VSK Business Consultant different from other real estate companies? Answer. Our commitment to personalized service, transparent communication, and a proactive approach to property management sets us apart. We treat your property as our own. Q13. Can VSK Business Consultant help me find new investment properties? Answer. Absolutely. Our team has extensive market knowledge and can assist you in identifying and acquiring properties that align with your investment goals. Q14. How do I get started with VSK Business Consultant? Answer. To begin, simply give us a call or visit our website to schedule a free, no obligation consultation. Visit our website www.vskbusinessconsultant.in. Contact number 9840336999. Trust VSK Business Consultant for real estate management in Chennai.